Oh, it's you.
Erica. Don't tell me you spent the night here.
Well, it is what it is. You want to see my boss?
Yes.
Okay, let me call him.
Hold on, Erica. You see this whole shenanigan you try to put up? It's not gonna work, okay? I know what you are capable of. But trust me, I'm gonna foil every single plan you have. Alfred is a good man. He deserves someone better. Not someone... You know what? Just tell him I'm waiting for him.
The paper did so much this morning. Boss.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning. All is well?
Yes, everything is fine.
I mean, why do you have to barge into my house this early morning all unannounced?
Well, the thing is, yesterday as you dropped me off, you made mention that you were craving for fried egg sauce and some soft bread. I decided to take it upon myself to actually prepare it and bring it to you so you have it, in the office for breakfast. Yes.
Thank you. But you should have waited for me to come to the office before giving it to me. You know I'm coming to the office, right?
Of course, I'm aware, but I won't be in the office this morning because I have to go see a client of ours. We gave some samples to yesterday, and they called to tell me that it wasn't what they wanted. So I have to go attend to that, then come to the office much later. So I decided to just pass and bring this first before leaving.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. I'll just take my leave now.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Sorry, boss. Is she staying here now?
No, don't worry. We'll talk about that in the office, okay?
Okay, I'll take my leave. Okay, have a nice day.
What is this madness about? Huh? What is this?
Sandra, you living in my house is very, very unfair. Very unfair. You should have waited for me to come back before you leave.
Get your car out of my way. I am not caught up for this bull crap, alright?
See. I know you have every right to be mad at me. Yes, you have every right to do that. Alright? But please, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry I treated you like a stranger.
It is what it is. I am a stranger.
No, you're not a
stranger. I am a stranger.
You are not a stranger, for God's sake. Yeah.
Boss, this is the apartment the company got for you. I hope it's to your liking.
Like how you say, I like it. I love it already. This is beautiful. My goodness. Magnificently good.
We're glad you like the place. Look, let's take you to your room, drop your stuff, and I'll show you other parts of the house.
All right.
Yes,
Shall we?
yes, let's go. This way, let's go.
Sandra, my goodness. This house is magnificently beautiful. The sofas are all royal to the dining. My goodness. I'm so thrilled. So beautiful. You need to be here and see what I'm talking about.
Babe, from the way you sound, it says it all. You're very happy. And I'm happy for your new job too.
Hey. Don't say you are happy for me. I am happy. You are happy for the both of us. This is for us. You and I. I can't wait for you to come here so we can start planning our wedding.
Babe, we still have time. August is still far. We just need to fix a date. Come on, we still have time. Let's focus on yours first.
Why are you saying August is too far? August is just 5 months from now. Just at our doorstep. See. I don't want to be in a hurry planning our marriage. We need to be here together and plan this thing from A to Z. So I don't know what you're talking about. Please find a way and come to this place. So wait, have you forgotten that we need to finance this marriage? We need to plan it based on our budget. You think save money in our water?
So, when do you want me to come?
This weekend.
Baby, I would love to come this weekend, but you just resumed work and you don't know how things play out there. You need to resume, study the place. Things need to settle in before I come there. So let's just give it a little time, all right? So you know what's how the company, how they go, how they run their things, all right?
Well, you're right. You have a good point, I must say. So what's going to happen now is, while you are there, you're going to go to the market and do a market survey, right? Get all the necessary things, the prices, everything. By the time you come here, it will be easier for us. Okay?
Yes, sir. Got you.
All right, baby. I need to go now. I'll call you later.
Bye, love. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Whew.
That's it.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me, how was my speech?
Oh, that. So your speech was splendid. You did exceptionally well. You needed to see the expressions on their faces, especially the MD. You did well, sir.
Really?
Yes, I'm not even kidding. Looking at their faces, I was certain that they were so proud of you. And I'm sure you'll make this firm proud.
Yes, I will do. I will do everything possible to prove a point. So tell me, how long have you been working in this establishment?
3 years and some months.
3 years and some months. Well, I think you have full experience. Anyway, So get me the files from beginning of this year till dates, especially the ones that have the signature of the past marketing director.
Very well, sir. I will.
Thank you. Oh, you can do it now, but if you can't, I'll wait tomorrow.
That's not a problem. I'll do it. I'll just go and compile it and bring it to you.
Okay.
All right, sir.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Philip.
Good morning. That was very impressive of you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to one of the top leading brands in the country. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a seat. Sit down.
Okay. Thank you.
You know, I am really thrilled and happy having myself in this establishment, and I promise I'm going to do my best.
Baby. Hello, babe.
So I resumed work today in the office.
Ooh, so tell me, how was your first day at work?
Amazing. Lovely. In fact, I was given an official car.
Wow! Congratulations! That is great, babe!
Thank you. So you can have the car I left, okay? Drive it.
Are you trying to say that the car belongs to me now?
Oh, yes, yes. It belongs to you now. As a matter of fact, I will change all the documents to your name before our wedding.
No, babe. I totally don't agree with that. Listen, the car that was given to you or is given to you is an official car. So it can be taken at any time. I will not agree to you changing the ownership of the car to me. No, I won't accept that.
Sandra, I just said you can use the car in my absence, okay? It's not a big deal, so why are you being stubborn?
Baby, call it stubbornness or whatever, I do not care. But until you get another car, I will not allow you to change the ownership to me. Okay?
It's okay, but not okay. But even at that, just use it, okay? I will change it. I will change it before we do our wedding. So please, stop parabolating. Just use it, alright? I've heard what you said, fine.
Okay, so tell me, how is the management of the office where you work? Tell me, how is it?
Oh, they were so impressed with my speech after the CEO introduced me.
Wow, now that is grace speaking.
Thank you. Oh, baby, I'll call you back. I think I have to attend to someone.
Babe, okay, talk to you later, okay?
Alright, bye-bye. Who is there?
Yes, an official car! That is grace speaking! Come on! What God cannot do does not exist.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Let's sit.
Thank you.
You know my house?
Yes, actually. I've been here with Mr. Phillips and Ruth. We came to check one of those apartments.
Okay. So, what brought you here?
I actually found this, the other documents, so I decided to bring them to you.
You should have waited till Monday. I mean, why stress yourself all the way to my house?
Oh, I felt it was important for you to access them before Monday. Having that your schedule on Monday will be so tight. Well, I should have called you, but you know, I don't have your contacts, so I decided to come myself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is your transportation bag.
Oh.
Please manage it.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. And thank you for this.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way.
All right. I'll just walk you out.
Okay.
Please shut the door.
Okay.
All right.
My brother's wedding, and I'll be resuming my official duties like next week, so I'll be traveling within a week. Yes.
And my goodness, can I drop you off for something?
Yes, of course. It's fine. We have a lot to catch up on. Oh.
Somebody's gonna be one day. Oh, Uncle Philip, it's you.
So you noticed my presence?
I actually did not know you entered. I was busy with what I was doing.
Well, that's okay. Your boss called me, though I missed his call. When I returned the call, it was indicating busy. So I thought he was on set.
No, he actually came in, but he received a call, so he stepped out. I'm sure he's around.
Okay. Just tell him I came.
Okay, sir. She can battle up with this. Eh? And I was busy doing all those stunts, thinking it was our girlfriend, and this idiot came in. Hi.
Oh, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Okay. This is nice. This has to be.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright. See. This has to be in a paragraph. Okay?
Okay.
And this one here, remove it. It's not needed, okay?
Okay. I should remove this completely.
Yes, completely.
Okay.
This is good. Alright, you can go.
So, oh, you mean I should take this off?
Yes. Take it off. Go.
Okay, so. Oh! That's good.
Are you okay?
I'm tired also.
Alright. Hey, hi Roots.
Hi, boss.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I didn't see you in the office today.
Yes, I went out with Bola and Emeka. Went to deliver some of our new products to our top influential clients. Got back not quite long, had to clock out because it was way past closing hour. But, of course, the office is also almost empty, so...
Oh, that's good. I didn't know you went with them.
Yes, I had to because I'm used to some of the clients.
Okay. I can see you're so stressed. Look at you. You need to hurry back home and rest, okay?
Of course I will, I will.
So come in, let me give you a lift.
But boss, I don't want to stress you.
I insist. Come in here.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Come in.
I'm so sorry to have barging you without your notice. Can I please sit?
I was just wondering why my place? You have female colleagues, your friends you could talk to, and they will surely allow you to stay with them. So why my place?
Actually, sir, my female colleagues actually think I'm pompous and proud, so we don't really flow except for Ruth and I. Although we are not that close. But it's okay. If you're not comfortable with me staying here, I could just leave.
No. You can stay. At least 1 week is just around the corner.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. You're a kind-hearted man.
You're welcome. I can see you're so exhausted. Come, let me show it to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's you.
Erica. Don't tell me you spent the night here.
Well, it is what it is. You want to see my boss?
Yes.
Okay, let me call him.
Hold on, Erica. You see this whole shenanigan you try to put up? It's not gonna work, okay? I know what you are capable of. But trust me, I'm gonna foil every single plan you have. Alfred is a good man. He deserves someone better. Not someone... You know what? Just tell him I'm waiting for him.
The paper did too much this morning. Boss.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning. All is well?
Yes, everything is fine.
I mean, why do you have to budget to my house this early morning all unannounced?
Well, the thing is, yesterday as you dropped me off, you made mention that you were craving for fried egg sauce and some soft bread. I decided to take it upon myself to actually prepare it and bring it to you so you have it, in the office for breakfast. Yes.
Thank you. But you should have waited for me to come to the office before giving it to me. You know I'm coming to the office, right?
Of course, I'm aware, but I won't be in the office this morning because I have to go see a client of ours. We gave some samples to yesterday, and they called to tell me that it wasn't what they wanted. So I have to go attend to that, then come to the office much later. So I decided to just pass and bring this first before leaving.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll just take my leave now.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Sorry, boss. Is she staying here now?
No, don't worry. We'll talk about that in the office, okay?
Okay, I'll take my leave. Okay, have a nice day.
Boss, let me just arrange this and make sure.
What is wrong with you? No, what is wrong with you? Why are you dressed like this? Go inside. Dress properly and meet me at the office.
Okay, boss.
Very early.
And
This is truly sad to hear. And landlady should have given her at least 1 week, since she's already secured another place.
That's true. But these days it's very hard to see landlords or landladies that have good hearts.
Yeah, it's common amongst property owners. They don't have pity on their tenants.
Well, I'm sure she's just trying to avoid embarrassment from the court.
That's true. That makes sense.
Oh, it's all.
sir, this is the compiled list and documents you asked for.
Thank you.
Boss, did you see what Erica put on? I mean, her dress.
Yes, I did.
And you feel there's nothing wrong with it?
I spoke to her about her indecent attires. But then she told me she's used to it. And for now, she doesn't have the wherewithal to get new clothes. Decent clothes. She just got a new apartment and she will settle that after moving in.
What? That's a blatant lie. Come on. Why would Erica even say that? She has a lot of decent clothes to put on. In fact, she stopped wearing revealing attires for a while. She just started it of late. I don't know what's wrong with her. Why would she? Wow. Oh, you're even smiling.
sir? You haven't slept yet.
No, I have other things I'm doing at night.
I was thinking, tomorrow is Saturday. How about I go to the market, get some foodstuffs, and prepare food for the house?
Oh, yes, stop. Don't worry. In the morning, I'll give you some money.
Oh!
Yeah, so you can go to the market and get foodstuffs.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Do you mind having some fruit juice with me?
No, I'm fine.
Oh. Okay, that's fine. Oh.
You alright?
Oh, really hot.
Okay, bye. Okay, upstairs.
Okay.
Sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine. Can you help me check? I think something is itching inside.
Good night.
Okay, babe, do not forget to take your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay?
I'll try.
Alright, I'm actually on my way to a wedding. The wedding I told you about.
Wow, that's really great. Hope you were able to get a gift.
Of course, I got the gas cooker.
Oh, that's good. That's fine. Please make sure you don't come back late.
Yes, sir! Okay, babe, always try to take your, like I said, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? Do not try to miss them, alright?
Alright, baby. Take care. I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sir, I'm ready to go to the market now.
You're not going to the market to buy food items, okay? I just give you some money to get yourself clothes.
I don't understand. Are we not cooking today?
No, there won't be any need for that. See, I'll just send you some money to go to the market and get yourself decent dress. And also I'll send money to you for you to check into the hotel. When your apartment is set, you can move in.
Sir, I don't understand. Are you sending me away from your house?
No, I'm not sending you away. As a matter of fact, you can come here anytime you wish, okay? But see, I cannot continue harboring in my house and see you dressed like this, indecently exposing your body every now and then. See, Erica, I have blood running through my veins. I just want to avoid all of this. This is a full pack of temptation, and please, I don't want it affecting my sanity. So please, it's not like I'm sending you out. I just want you to be comfortable in your own comfort zone.
It's okay, sir. I'll just go in and prepare, then I'll leave.
Oh, you know what, Sandra? I'll have to call you back, please, okay? Sure, girl. Erica, I see you're leaving to your new apartment.
It's the fact that you're trying to patronize me for me. Don't make it look like you don't have a say or you don't know what is going on, because I know this is your making.
I don't understand.
Of course you won't. Please stop the pretense, okay? Cut it. You think I wasn't with him last night when you called? Huh? I overheard all that you said to him. Let me get this. You've succeeded in throwing me out of his house, Abi? And you came here to mock me. Or rather, you came to find out if I've left so you find your way in.
Stop it. Enough. Enough of your silliness and your craziness. I'm not cut out for this drama. Yes, I called him. But guess what? I called him for something else. Not about you. The world doesn't revolve around you. Please.
Oh, please.
Oh, please, you too.
Say that to the birds.
I don't care, whatever.
I do care.
What is going on here? What's going on here? By the nice.
Nothing, sir. I was actually upset with someone on the phone. Right?
Oh.
Of course, someone provoked her.
Alright. Stay calm, okay? Be careful. And make sure you don't involve yourself in the fight.
I won't, sir.
Come inside.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, these are the documents they want here. Oh, you said you have someone that have current accounts with the same bank, right?
Of course, as soon as I leave this place, I'll just go over to her place and get it done.
That's okay.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. It's my friend.
Oh, feel free. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you, sir. Hello?
Now one for you, girl. Oh. You just ended up the call like we're having an issue.
Sorry, Jerry. It's one nuisance that was getting me upset.
Come on, girl. You shouldn't be fighting. I mean, there is no trophy in fighting or quarreling.
Hey, please let me call you back once again. I'm with my boss. Okay? Please.
Okay. Oh, my fiancé is even calling me. Alright, later.
Alright then, bye.
Hey, baby.
Hello, my love. How did it go?
Oh, it was superb. It was amazing. Trust me. I had a swell time.
Wow, that's great. I hope you explained to them the reason for my absence.
Of course, baby. They totally understand.
Great. So are you home now?
Nah, I'm driving home.
Oh, great. That's good. I hope you're coming next week.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll be fine. I'll call you later.
Love you.
Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. That was my girlfriend. She'll be coming here next week.
Wow, I can't wait to meet her.
She can't wait to meet you too.
It's okay, boss. Let me just take my leave quickly.
Okay. Let me see you.
Oh, thank you, boss. Is Boss Alfred not around?
If you were not blind, you would obviously say that he's not here.
Don't insult me this morning. I asked you a simple question, which deserves A simple answer. A yes or a no.
A simple question or a foolish one, which? Because, as you can see, if you were not blind, actually, you would know that your boss is not here.
Well, Eric, I can see you're having too many emotions run around you. I am not the cause of your problem. Okay? So don't you dare transfer your aggression on me. Because you wouldn't like it when I give it back to you.
Oh, bring it on. Bring it on. Or you think I'm scared of you? Huh? Really? You go about doing all that you do so I'll be thrown out of the house, and you come here with all this pretense as if I don't know what you did.
Really? You still think I did that? Erica, come off your high horse. The world doesn't revolve around you. People have important things to do. I actually have important things to take care of. Now, I had called our boss to remind him about the form he promised to fill in for me. And that's it. And it's not my fault that you're too blind to see what is right in front of you. And next time, keep your silly tantrums to yourself. Don't bring it close to me, because I won't take it from you. I don't take tantrums from children.
What are you saying? Now what for you? I said I'm still coming. I've been as Chinese as they speak. Or you think I'm kidding?
Babes, and the way you did talk up now, you didn't say it as if you were serious.
I'm serious. I'm coming. Okay?
Okay, I'll be waiting.
If I make it before Friday, I'll definitely let you know.
How?
Well, I intend surprising my boyfriend. He said I should come in on Saturday, but I'm thinking of coming before then. You know, he might just see me at his house. Ta-da!
Babes, I thought you said he just moved here. Come on, how are you going to get keys to go into his apartment?
Well, he came to celebrate my birthday with me yesterday, and then he gave me his spare key, and he introduced his gatesman to me. So it's just, it's a little fry. I'll just go there, the gatesman will let me in. Easy peasy.
Oh, that explains it. I bet do they come now, at least make I still know your guy safe.
Sure. I'll definitely let you know, okay?
Okay, no problem. I can't wait till at least I'll get to spoil you when you get here.
Are you trying to retaliate or something? Huh?
If uncle. Anyways, I'm just going out to have lunch. It's my break time, so I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'm actually trying to drive out too. Alright, take care, bye.
Alright, darling, take care, bye. Where are these guys?
Oh my goodness. Oh God.
You sent for me, sir.
Oh, yeah. Have a seat. A few seconds, please. Yeah, Erica.
Yes, sir.
I noticed you've not been happy since today I came to work. What is bothering you? If it's about the accommodation you told me about, then of course you told me you secured one, right? And you're about moving in.
I'm fine, sir.
Erica, I hate seeing people not happy around me. I love to see all my staff smiling. So tell me, what is the problem?
I'm okay. One must not be happy all the time.
I agree with you. But then, you are a beautiful, smart, full of prospects, and also a hard-working woman. You see, there are some things you would do Sometimes it might ruin your traits. Me giving you money to change your wardrobe and also send you out of my house was done in good faith. As a matter of fact, I really do not want to fall for you. Now, just imagine my fiancé will walk in my house unannounced and see you, my secretary, in my house half naked. What do you think she would think about? What do you think would be her reaction? So what I did wasn't the good faith. I didn't do that to tame you or anything.
It's okay, sir. I am sorry. I didn't mean any harm. Just that I'm so used to wearing my short dresses. But I know with time I'll adjust.
Please do, right? You never can say who's watching from afar. Maybe your future husband. No, I'm serious. I mean, look at you right now. You're looking so beautiful, well dressed and all of that. I mean, yes. I love that smile. See, there is this mindset people do have about girls like you that dress half naked and expose their body. We tend to think they are wayward. Well, I actually don't blame them thinking that way. But then I think you should walk on the streets freely and let people speak good of you. But believe me, I share in the ideology a little. But of course, I've known you. I know this is what you do. It's not like you're doing it for something else. See, let me tell you something. I just want you to live freely, dress well, so that people can talk good about you. Like this popular saying, the way you are dressed is how people will address you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I've never been counseled like this before. I've not had anyone talk to me in this manner before. This is real love. And it's not just about a boss to a secretary. To me, it feels like an elder brother to a younger sister. You make me feel like we are from the same womb. And trust me, I don't take your words for granted. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, sir, I have a confession to make. Promise me, sir, that this will be between us. I don't want my image to be tarnished in this office. Please.
Okay, I promise.
Are you going home now?
Oh. Obviously, it's the close of work. Where else would I go to if not my house?
I know. Listen, I am here to say I am very sorry for everything I've put you through. You know, I don't want us to fight.
Erica, you're the one fighting with me. I am not fighting you.
I know. That's why I am here to make amends for everything I've put you through. Listen, I know I overreacted. In fact, I feel I was trying to act too smart. Which, of course, I know it's inappropriate. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry.
Are you okay, Erica?
I'm fine. I am okay.
Oh, well, it's coming as a shock. I mean, it's surprising.
I know, right? And also, I know that you're not the one that asked the boss to send me away from his house.
You do?
He told me. He told me you brought in some documents for him to fill. Sorry I misjudged you. Can we still be friends?
Of course we can be friends because it's about to rain and we're standing under it.
Well, baby, you need to see how my secretary changed automatically. That girl has got inside. It's just that she needs to be with the right people.
Babe, such ladies cannot be trusted. Honestly, you have to be careful. You see, they call them drama queens. When they are fake, you will never know. So you just have to be careful around her.
Baby, she's pretending I would know. I would definitely know. But I can see genuine repentance in her. I'm telling you. She's a changed person.
Prophet Alfred. I hope these few days you stayed with her, you didn't do anything with her, huh?
What are you talking about? Come on. See, I cannot betray the love that we share together. That's the more reason why I asked her to leave my house, so I can avoid all of that.
Okay, babe. Tell me the truth. Did something happen?
I have told you all the truth that I needed to tell you. We didn't do anything. See, I'm a man of honor, and I cannot condescend so low to a woman that throws herself to a man. I will not do that. I love you, you're my woman, and you are the only one I want to spend the rest of my life with. That is on period.
Okay. Babe, let's see this way, right? I am not, in fact, I did not make a mistake. I did not make a mistake accepting your engagement. I am a woman, not just a woman. I am your fiancé. And it is right for me to be jealous because I love you so much. And I trust you, don't get me wrong. But I mean, it's a woman thing. We get jealous when ladies come close to our man.
I know. You don't need to get worried, okay? I love you so much and that is what matters. Right? And I will never do anything to hurt you. Never.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. And you know, one thing you should also know is that I honor and respect you. And I know you respect our relationship, what we have going. I know you do that.
Thank you too for being my woman. Right? I love you so much.
And I love you with all my heart. Love you, baby.
Good night, baby. Bye.
Good night. I love this man.
Women. They need to be told, I love you 100 times, given assurance daily. Wow! That's a good one, bro. Oh.
Oga Philip.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I guess you're on your way to the office.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, come in.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, boss.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You look so happy this morning.
Happiness is free, boss. We don't pay for it.
I can see that again. Nice outfit, you know.
Thank you, sir.
Erica, if you wouldn't mind, I want us to have lunch later.
Oh, lunch.
Yes.
I don't think that'll be possible because I have a whole lot to attend to on my texts.
How about dinner?
Dinner, I'm not sure, but I'll let you know if I'm free.
Okay. I will wait your feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir. But what is the lunch and dinner date for? What is it you want to tell me that you cannot tell me here?
Erica, you should know there are special places meant for special conversations. If you understand what I mean.
I really don't understand what you mean, sir. How can I? I'm only a baby.
Erica, you, a baby.
Yes, sir.
If I hear you say that again.
Oh, okay, boss.
You cannot be a baby. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Girl. Can you see this? Oh my, this. Oh my God. Look at this. Girl. Are you okay? You've been kind of moody since we got here. Yes, I'm fine. Well, my mother, I got a call from her earlier. She told me about the problem she had with my brother. Aww. Yeah, but not to worry, I'm fine. It's actually really beautiful. Come here. Everything is going to be fine. Girl, this apartment is dope. What do you think? Of course, the interior decor, they did a good job. A perfect job. Actually, it looks like a royal setting. Come, let's go check around, girl. Oh my God, I dropped my bag. I can't wait to see the bedroom. Yes. The bedroom. Oh my God.
My baby. Hello, my first lady. What's up? I'm driving home. Where else? From the office, of course. Well, I ate jollof rice and salad. And this morning I took bread and tea before I left for work. This evening, okay, I think I'll take something light. Yeah, something light. Yeah, that reminds me, are you still coming home this Friday? Oh, good. Good. All right, baby, I'm driving, okay? So I'll call you when I get home, okay? All right, stay safe. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah. Woo! Sandra! I was on the phone with you and you didn't tell me you're home already.
Well, you think you're the only one that knows how to surprise.
Oh my God.
Baby.
You are something else.
I know.
My God, you look so good.
I know, baby. Woo! Babe, meet my childhood friend.
What's going on here?
Our fiance is here, obviously.
Yeah, he is.
How did you meet Ruth?
Ruth is my childhood friend. And how did you know Ruth?
Ruth is one of my staff in the office. She was part of the team that showed me this apartment. The very first time I came here.
She has been here before?
Oh, oftentimes, yeah.
Okay. Babe, what's up? Well, I didn't want to tell you because I wanted it to be a surprise. You know, like a movie. I wanted him to be the one to tell you.
Okay. Okay.
So how come you didn't tell me about truths? That's why.
Well, I thought I've mentioned her to you several times. I don't know. And it's just quite, I'm confused, you know?
No.
Girl, my fiance, of course.
Ah.
We look good together, right?
Of course. Picture perfect.
What's that for?
Okay, babe, come please sit down.
My God,
Girl,
this
well,
calls
I
for
tried
some.
to
Yeah.
get it for you. Okay, you guys sit, enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Oh, baby, this calls for celebration, actually. I mean, we
Yeah,
have
it does.
to
I was going to say
celebrate
that. Yeah.
But I had promised to take her out when she gets here.
She did.
it. Okay, you guys are going to do that some other day.
Okay.
Tonight, we'll be together to celebrate her and also the reunion between the both of you.
That's perfect. Okay, since there's a change in plans, I think I'll just rush home, go freshen up, and come back.
Perfect.
All right, just do that, okay?
Alright.
I'll be inside. Please hurry up, okay?
Of course. Guys, come on, no honeymoons right now.
Okay, that's
Let's do this really
fine.
quickly.
That's okay.
All right, baby.
Okay, I'll
inside,
see you.
Mwah.
Oh my goodness.
Stop it,
Inside.
guys.
Okay.
Hey, if you want me to drop you, no. Come on, you need to go get ready.
Okay.
Yeah, before you know what's happening is that. Let's go.
Okay.
It's gonna be a movie.
I know. Oh my goodness. Babe, where are you rushing to?
Sorry, sir. I think you've forgotten about the conference call you asked to remind you about.
Uh-oh. Please don't forget.
Okay.
When a man loves a woman. Oh my word.
So you look very happy today.
Oh yes. My fiancée just arrived.
Oh.
She came in yesterday and I'm so happy. I feel rejuvenated.
Well, I must say she's very lucky to have a kind-hearted man like you.
No, I'm the lucky one here because she made me a better person.
Okay, that's nice. I am so happy for you, sir.
Happy? Well, thank you.
All right. I'll just go prepare the documents.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You stayed a bit longer in the meeting.
Oh, we had some other issues, so it took a lot of time.
Oh, okay, I see.
Are you okay?
That's the reason I'm here, sir. I wanted to ask if I could go home early today. I feel this weakness all over, body pains and all that.
Did you run a check?
Not yet. I'll do it after close of work today.
Okay, you can close for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, that reminds me. How about your caretaker?
Oh, I got the keys from him. I'll be moving in, say weekend.
Oh, wow. That's good news. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
That's good news.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, sir.
Wow, this is beautiful.
You like?
Whoa! This is so beautiful. I mean, and well positioned. Who assisted you?
Me alone.
Really?
Of course. I mean, it's easy peasy. I can actually reach my hand up there. And that one too.
All All right, come here.
Baby.
You see what it's good to have a woman around.
I know, right? So, we decided to talk about the marriage plans today. What happened?
Well, that's why I came back early.
But first of all, I have to go in there, get your meal ready on the dining while you go shower. How about that?
You have a good point.
Of course, I always have good points. Let me help you with this. Welcome home.
Okay, the venue. What about the MC?
The MC, I have him already.
All right. Well, I want our wedding to be fixed by July. Yeah, this July.
July is so close. Why don't we do August? I mean, August will give us enough time to plan, and do other things.
August. Do you know the reason I decided to choose July?
Tell me.
Because that was the month I professed my love to you.
Well, why I want us to choose August is because our birthdays, both of us, falls under August. I am August 1st and you're August 5th. So it will just be a beautiful, beautiful marriage celebration.
All right. You have a good point there.
Of course I do.
So why don't we just pick first week of August?
Perfecto.
So have you done the verification with the list?
Yes, I called my mom and then she said she's going to call me before weekend. Meanwhile, she gave me names of people to call.
Ha! I hope these names are not the ones that will cut my head.
I didn't hear you.
I hope they're not the people that will cut my head.
Relax, there's nothing you cannot carry. My people are not like that.
It's okay. So, who did you choose? Your maid of honor?
That! Let's see. Ruth, my childhood friend. Yes.
Ruth is not a bad choice,
Yeah.
You got a good choice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so
let's continue.
How about the caterer?
That's why I wrote cakes.
Oh, good.
My brother, my friend.
Philip, this one you didn't hear me this morning. What happened?
You're looking good. Ever since the arrival of your woman, you've added. And you're fresh. You're not like this now. Look at you.
Well, you're right, okay? You see, ever since she came into my life, I no longer eat outside. Secondly, whenever I go home, I feel somewhat relieved from all the stress from work.
I cannot wait to meet this good woman in your life.
Yes. Oh, sorry about this. Yes, I don't know, maybe, just maybe, you might see her today.
Really?
Maybe.
I still cannot wait.
Oh my God. So, how is...
Sorry to disturb. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. You have a guest.
A guest? I'm not expecting anyone today. It's okay. Send the person in.
Very well, sir.
Is your secretary okay?
She's not been feeling fine for a while now. I do not know why she came to work today.
Maybe she's getting better.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Oh! Hi, my baby. How are you? You look so beautiful today.
Thank you, baby. So you forgot this.
Oh my God, I remember. You know, I left in a hurry.
I know.
Philip.
Hi.
Hi.
This is the woman of my dream. When I told you.
I can see.
My fiancée, her name is Sandra.
It's my pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. He has said a lot of good things about you.
Really?
Yeah.
Has he said the bad things yet?
I'm still counting on him to tell me that.
I'll tell you. Don't worry. Erica, I want you to go home and rest. At least take good care of yourself. You're not fine and you know that.
I am fine, sir. Just don't feel well. I have these pains all over me, but that doesn't stop me from working. I'm okay.
Have you done any text?
Yes, sir.
So what did the text say? Erica, why are you so moody? Your eyes are red. Is there any problem? Come on, talk to me. I might be of help.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? That is a good news.
Yes, sir, it is, but I'm scared that the person responsible might not want to accept it.
Oh, come on. Why would a person responsible not want to take up his responsibilities?
So I have this feeling that he might ask me to go and abort the baby.
Who is responsible?
Ruth, stop looking at me and tell me the truth. Just be sincere with me. Is there anything going on between Erica and Alfred that I do not know of?
What makes you think something is going on between both of them?
It felt like she didn't want me around, or my presence irritated her.
I'm sure Alfred told you about her, right?
Yes, he did. Alfred told me the game she was trying to play when she came here. But honestly, I do not believe everything. I feel like there was something that transpired when she came.
Well, Sandra, Alfred is a reputable man. At least from my little observation. Come on. Do you think he will want to compromise the love you both share by sleeping with his secretary? Even if he did, say, sleep with her by mistake, I'm sure he will tell you about it. Let me ask you a question. Do you trust him?
Stop asking me if I trust you or not. I know we just became friends. But believe me, in Philip, I know we'll not do anything to hurt anyone.
That is it. You know, whatever thing that you do today will catch up with you tomorrow in one way or the other. That is karma. Karma knows the resident of everyone. You cannot run away from it.
You're right, my friend. Just want to appreciate you for your maturity and also for you not to deny the truth. This really shows that you're a real friend.
And it's really good knowing someone as responsible as you are. I have a lot to learn from you.
See, I'm just a small man. Bold, I know. But then, I'm not perfect. I still have my flaws.
No one is perfect, actually. We are all striving to be.
I know.
Well, I have work to do in my office. So let me come and see you out of respect.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Philip.
You're welcome.
Hey! 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 No, what's that? No, come on, don't you? I said, come on. What's going on? What's going on? What? Huh? What's going on?
These two numbers are not going through. Even Ruth's number is not reachable as well. Jesus, what's going on? What's going on? God. Not reachable. Switched off.
Yes, hello? Yes, I called him. He said he has not heard anything from him at all. It's both of them we are talking about, okay? Alfred and Ruth. No, don't involve the charmer yet. Okay, it's okay. Look, if you are the first person to hear from him, do let me know. Take care. Look, I've called some of our colleagues in the office. Nobody knows his whereabouts. The funny thing is his phone is off.
So where could he be?
I don't know. I don't know.
Could it be that Alfred is intentionally staying away from me and switched off his phone so I can't reach him? Because I asked him if he has an affair with Erica?
No, I don't think so. Look, Alfred is not like that. Alfred cannot have anything to do with his secretary. Okay? And he will certainly not stay away from you because you ask him if he has something to do with Erica. No. I think something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong with him and Ruth. By the time I get to the office tomorrow, if I do not, or if he does not come to the office, I'll get the details of where and whoever person he met with yesterday, the venue, everything that has to do with yesterday's meeting.
Then where could he be? Where is he? Where can we find him? Where can we find him?
I don't know. We'll keep trying. Alright, I'll get the details of everything. It's okay.
Who is this person beside me?
She's your fiancée.
No. I don't know her. I've never met her before. Were you the one that placed this framed hair?
No, I wasn't the one. I don't know who did either.
Let's see. This picture was photoshopped. Okay? I don't know this woman before. In fact, I've never met her in my life.
It's okay.
Are you sure someone didn't come into my house when I was away? Yes, I'm sure someone came in here to do this nonsense.
You know what, Alfred? You need to take it easy. Remember what the doctor said. Calm down. Just calm down. You don't have to stress your head like the doctor rightly said, okay? Don't worry, I'll just take this, okay? I'll keep it aside. Sorry. You need to come sit. Relax. Come and sit. Don't worry, I'll take care of this.
I don't know her.
I know, it's fine. It's fine. Don't stress yourself about this. I'll take care of this. Okay? Let me just keep this inside. I'll be right back.
What's wrong with you? I've been expecting your call. I mean, you should have called me. I've been worried sick about you since yesterday. I mean, do you know what I've been through because of you?
Have we met before? Wait. Don't tell me you are the imposter that came into my house without my consent.
What are you talking about? Me?
Yes, you.
An imposter?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Hey, don't come near me. You photoshopped our picture to make it look like we're a couple. Better start talking right now.
What is... Alfred, I told you not to stress your head.
Yes, but she needs to start talking.
Oh.
She needs to talk.
Calm down.
She needs to explain to me how she got the keys into my house without my consent.
Relax. Well, she's my friend. Yes, she's my childhood friend. I gave her the keys to this house, so you have nothing to worry about.
You gave me?
Relax, please. Okay?
She needs to leave.
Explain everything.
Please.
No, she doesn't need to leave. She's with me. She came to see me. Okay? Relax.
How did you get the keys into my house?
Because I gave the keys to her.
What is happening?
No, I gave you the keys to come visit me, right? Yes. I'll explain everything to you later. Please just go with me on this. Come on. And you know what? I think you should go inside and rest just as the doctor recommended. Okay? Let's go inside. Don't worry, I'll take care of this. You have nothing to worry about.
Are you going to leave her in my house?
Don't worry. Nothing will go wrong. I promise you. Let's just go in. Okay? So you rest. Let's go. Slowly. Careful. I'll take care of it. Sorry. Calm down. Sorry.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside, maybe you will see those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby? Now you are calling me a stranger. Oh, baby. Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you...
So, we got to the hospital and the doctor in charge of his case, examined him thoroughly. He then told me he was suffering from amnesia. Amnesia? Memory loss. He doesn't even remember anything from his past. How is that possible? Confused. You know what, just calm down. That's why you need to take things easy. You don't have to juggle his memories just like that. You need to allow him some time to, come to terms with everything that is happening.
Hold on. It can't be. He's meant to remember me.
No, he can't remember you for now. These things take time. It's going to take a little time. Take it easy, one step at a time, okay? I'm sure everything's just going to fall into place.
Jesus Christ.
For now, don't use anything that rightfully belongs to him. You see the way he reacted just now? I know this situation is awkward. But let's just see how everything evolves.
Hello, Sandra.
Alfred is back.
That's great news. So why are you crying?
He can't recognize me. I don't know what is going on. Can you come here, please?
Look, I'm confused. What are you saying?
Just come and see for yourself. So were you able to talk to him?
Yes. What Ruth said is true. He can only remember few things.
He remembered you?
Yes, maybe he was always with me and Ruth, that's why he was able to remember us.
Did you talk to him about me?
Yes. I asked him of the people he can remember. He mentioned their names, but you were not there. The annoying thing is he doesn't believe that he's sick. He doesn't believe he has lost his memory. Right? He said he's only doing what the doctor says so he does not look like he's stubborn.
So what do we do now?
I want you to be patient. He will recover. Just give him time.
I've told her this before. Sandra, you really need to be patient right now.
It's not as easy as you think.
Well, you just have to take it one day at a time. For now, you have to be sleeping in the guest room.
But my things are still in that room.
Yes, I moved them into the guest room because if he sees you, he might just throw another fit, and that will not be good for his condition.
So who will be staying with him in his room? You?
No, I'll be sharing the guest room with you, of course. Except you don't want it, then I could just go to the other room. Stay in the other room.
It's fine. You can share the room with me.
Sandra, I want you to allow Ruth to be doing the cooking and everything for him for now.
It's fine as long as he gets better.
That's our prayers.
Speaking of which, I think I should go get him something to eat, then get him his medication.
Please do.
What do we do? Okay. What about the office? How do you tell them about it?
Yeah, I thought of it. I'll present this case at the office tomorrow.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember.
Hello, Herga. Sorry I didn't call you yesterday. He's back home. Some hoodlums hit him a stick on the head. When he was trying to save Ruth from their hands. I was in his place last night. I saw him. When I get to the office, I will explain to the management what has happened. Yeah, Ruth is fine. Ruth is fine. Yeah, they didn't hurt her. They only took her phone and some money in her bag. They took her first phone as well. My dear, just save your airtime. When I get to the office, we'll talk.
Yeah, how did it go? It was an exhausting day. Actually, successful kinda, because he was able to retrieve his 2 lines, but when it got to my turn, mysteriously, they said they had a network glitch, and I should come back before 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
It's okay, tomorrow is not far.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Please, Ruth, go inside and get me some peanuts.
Okay, I'll be right back. Be right back. What a day.
How are you feeling?
I know what you are up to. I know the game you are playing. But believe me, you are in my house because of Ruth. If not, you will not be here. Impostor.
I'm so worried about Sandra. I mean, how she's coping with all of this going on. Just imagine going to meet your boyfriend and you cannot even express yourself freely with him. And then the other way around, you're restricted to the parlor alone. You can't get to the room. It's crazy.
All of this is just a matter of time. Alfred is going to recover and things will fall back to normal. Alright? On proper medications.
I hope so. I really, really hope so, because the concern that girl showed when he was nowhere to be found indicates that she loves him so much.
No. Alfred loves her too. Yes.
So, why wasn't I able to recognize her when he came around? I think that the first person he was supposed to recognize is someone he loves.
Yeah. That's true, but I think he was able to recognize Ruth because Ruth was the last person that he saw. Yes, that's what I think.
Okay. Well, I hope he recognizes me, but this one we are going to see him more.
Alfred has a memory of his office activities. So I think he's going to remember his secretary. Definitely.
Better just because I cannot waste my time going to somewhere that no one recognizes me.
Okay, this is it. Whether he recognizes you or not, you will still visit him because he's your boss. Shall we?
Okay.
How are you now, my friend?
Better, I guess.
You know, I presented your case at the office this morning. Everyone was worried about you. Although Chairman said you can have some day off so as to get recovered quickly. So you don't have to worry about work.
Thank you so much, Philip. You're really a good friend. Well, the doctor advised that I don't accumulate my head with a lot of things, a lot of thinking. And I don't think I can stay home that long.
Oh no, boss. You have to get enough rest, okay? And please don't discard your medication. All you need to do is rest, and you'll be fine.
Sir, can you remember her?
From the office?
Yes. I am your secretary. Yes.
Oh, I think I remember. Erica.
Yes, sir.
So how is work? How is the office?
Very well. Just that we miss you.
I miss you all too. Ruth.
Sir.
Please get them something cold.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yeah. It seems you have your lines back now.
Oh yes, I did my work on back today.
That's good. That's good. I mean, you can be reached now. That's a good one.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside.
Rufus! How you been? I'm hustling. How do you carry me enter Delta State like this?
You used to talk to my younger brother.
My G! Even then 4 years ago, me and him, we just aligned together. We talk.
It's been a long time. Really nice to see you.
Auntie, before I forget, please put your number so I will call you. Before I forget.
Okay, you know what? Let me have your number. I think that would be better.
No, just give me your own. I will call you. My line, a new line. I don't carry it for head.
Okay.
Auntie!
Okay, no problem.
Auntie, thank you.
Okay,
I will call you.
No problem. I should be going, eh?
Okay, Auntie. Something for your guy.
It's raining, oh. Okay.
If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside, maybe you will say those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby? Now you are calling me a stranger. Oh, baby. Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember that I'm not a stranger.
I can't believe this. How could Sandra go this far? How can she send those guys to attack me?
That's the kind of person you have as a friend.
Well, in my defense, I thought I could trust her.
You know, I've told you time with a number that girl is up to something very, very bad. She's demonic. But you will not listen, what if I tell you 100 times? Now you can see for yourself. And when she comes back, tell her to pack her things and leave.
No. Come on. She's still my friend. If you ask her to leave this place, guess what? She'll come to my house because she has no place else to go to. And when she's at my place, won't be able to watch her. Let's do this instead. Let's keep her here, and keep an eye on her. That way, we can know her every move. Yes.
Ruth, I am only putting up with a stranger because of you.
I know. Just calm down, okay? Meanwhile, I was about to go retrieve my sim, but I wanted you to get here first before leaving.
It's okay. You can go.
Alright. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you later.
Alright.
If you look around you, maybe you
Well, sir, I am well and fine now. If you want me to come to the office tomorrow, I will do that. Okay. That's not a problem. If you can handle that in my absence, that'll be fine. Alright, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll be taking my medication, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Greetings. Greetings.
What is good about your greeting? No! Or is it because you decided to pay the balance of the guys you hired to attack Ruth? Or the fact that they smashed my head? What is good about your greeting?
What are you spewing about?
Oh, you do not pretend as if you do not know what I'm saying. Don't!
I don't know what you're talking about, because if I did, I wouldn't be asking this question.
Who is supposed to be angry here? No, who? So you think I do not know that you paid some guys to attack Ruth? I saw you!
What guys are you talking about? Now, this is a wrong accusation. I'm only taking it slightly because you are special to me. Do not make such accusation anymore to me. Do not try it. I don't like it. What are you talking about?
Hey, who is supposed to be angry here? No! Are you supposed to be angry? Are you supposed to boil? Oh, wait. Is it because I didn't call the cops on you?
No, call them! What are you waiting for? Call them! I mean, you're supposed to be getting better. I mean, remembering thoughts about us. But here you are getting worse.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? You are supposed to leave even for Ruth bleeding on your behalf.
Jesus Christ.
You're supposed to be long gone. But thank your stars that Ruth keep bleeding on your behalf. Nonsense.
Oh, hey girl.
Welcome, Sandra.
Thank you. Were you able to retrieve your SIM card?
I did. I'm seated here, waiting for you. Because I actually have a question to ask.
Okay. What is it?
Tell me, Sandra, where did I offend you?
Offend me? I never said you offended me. I mean, why would you ask that?
Or maybe you think I have something to do with Alfred.
Where are these questions coming from?
I need to know, Sandra.
Well, I have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say. Is that what you're saying? Do you realize, Sandra, that being the one saving your ass in this house, else Alfred would have sent you out the minute he got back from the hospital. I am your saving grace.
Ooh.
And I'm only doing all of that because of the love I have for you.
Well, thank you, Madam Saving Grace. Like I said, I do not understand where all of this is coming from.
Okay. Let me be explicit. Why did you send those boys to attack me?
Why would you think I would do that?
It's not a question of what I'm thinking. It is what it is.
You see, I actually do not send people to hurt the people that I love. There are better ways to do things like that. I mean, if you had something to do with Alfred, I sure know a better way to do that. Excuse me.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside, maybe you will see those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby? Now you are calling me a stranger. Oh, baby, yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you will.
Hello, sir. I'm in the office right now. The document you asked me to get is in the drawer, and the drawer is locked. No, sir, I can't access it. You're with the keys. Okay, sir. I'm on my way. Alright, sir.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you...
Philip. Hello, Philip, my brother.
Good morning, bro. How was your night?
Night was okay. And how are you and how is work going in the office?
Very well. Are you alone, please?
There's no one here. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. See, what I'm about to say, I don't want you to get it wrongly. Neither do I want you to be mad at Sandra.
Why is Sandra issue coming in right now?
Yes, because it's about her.
I'm listening.
You know, I've known Sandra for a very long time. She's my friend, just as she is to Ruth. She told me the last time that you accused her of paying some guys to attack Ruth.
Hey, I saw her with my eyes. My clear eyes, I wasn't drunk.
Look, Alfred, I am not arguing that fact. All right? She told me on that same day she ran and she badged on her old younger brother's friend who is into all these dubious acts. It's a coincidence.
My God.
Mama, listen now. I can no longer stay here anymore.
My stay here is useless. He's giving all the love and attention to Ruth. He doesn't even want to set his eyes on me. I'm a stranger here. Mom, I'm listening.
Well, I've heard you. You made a good point. But why didn't she tell me herself?
Look, maybe she was scared. She didn't know how you would take it. All I want you to do is to take it easy with her. Please.
Oh, I will, if only she'll just maintain her steez. Right? See, people like this kind of a girl, okay, can go any extent, right, to have a crush. They are up for no good. They can go any extent to have a crush and blame the consequences, I tell you.
What is wrong if she's crushing on you? Is it not a good thing?
No. I'm starting to develop feelings for Ruth.
Alfred?
What? Is it bad to have feelings for someone who's been taking care of you?
Alfred, not so fast. Not so fast. I mean, look, do not confess your feelings to her already. Okay, wait until you start remembering things and the doctor confirms that you're okay. Where are you? We need to see one-on-one.
That wouldn't be a problem. Anytime I'm available.
Alright. Take care.
Alright, bye.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will.
You're here. Good morning. I want us to talk.
About what?
Few things.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
First off, I didn't send anyone to attack Ruth. The guy you saw me with was...
Hey, enough. Philip called me. He explained everything, that you know nothing about it. Well, I believe him. What next?
I want to know, do you have someone special in your life? Someone you plan to spend the rest of your life with? Someone you have planned to do time with? I mean no harm.
Really want to know?
Yeah.
Look, I'll tell you. I used to be in love with a girl 4 years ago. You know, I love her so much, I care so much about her. Well, I thought she was in love with me too, just like I do. But I never knew she was pretending to be in love with me. We did it for a few months. All of a sudden, one day, she called me that she's quitting the relationship. Why? She said I should move on. That she's getting married to the man of her dreams. And I asked myself, man of your dreams, what about me? What about all that we have shared? Well, she told me her man is back to the country. They are about getting married and leaving the country at the same time. Believe me, I was heartbroken. I cried. I was so sad. That is the most painful thing that happened to me.
Are you sure you've not told this story to anyone before? The lady you wanted to spend the rest of your life with. I mean, the lady you gifted a car, bought an iPhone for her on her birthday, and invited her to visit this house. Are you sure you've not told her before? You can't remember?
Sandra, what are you up to? You're trying to make the situation worse, not so.
I'm confused here. Who says I'm trying to make the situation worse here? I'm just having a peaceful conversation with him. You just walked in here angry and... You know, are you sure you're not up to something?
What? Me or you who is up to something? Hold it. Was it because I didn't get you arrested for sending those boys to attack me?
I never attacked you.
Yes, you did.
Well, maybe I should leave the house for you.
What are you waiting for? Bravo, please leave. Be my guest. Because I am so tired. I am tired of begging Alfred here to let you stay.
Let me tell you something. By the time he regains his memory, we will know who is who.
Enough. Enough, Sandra. I will not sit here and allow you to talk to Ruth in such a disrespectful manner. Don't.
Really?
Yes, you heard me. I mean, you should be grateful to Ruth for all she has done for you in this house.
Are you kidding me? Now it's obvious you are out of your mind. I mean, you're out of your senses.
What?
It's obvious.
You insult me? Well, I don't blame you. I really don't blame you. I blame Ruth for bringing you into my house. If not, you will not have the nerve to insult me. You have just 1 week to be here. 1 week.
Alfred.
Yes, exactly. You heard him. 1 week. Because your presence here is complicating his situation. So, leave.
Ruth, why would you say such? I mean, you of all people know that Sandra means no harm.
Who's this one? Who invited you here? Why are you here in the first place? This is none of your business, okay? Come on, get out!
Well, I am pregnant. For him.
What?
Erica!
Wait, hold it. How can you be pregnant when you met him barely 3 weeks ago?
Well, it happened that we had met before he resumed to work. He came to see the chairman. I am certain he's going to recognize me and the situation when he regains his memory.
Ruth, you have to believe me. I am not the one responsible for her pregnancy. How can someone accuse me of impregnating her when we didn't even have any sexual intercourse? Like, how?
Maybe you've had sex with her. You simply can't remember because of your condition.
Ruth, you need to believe me, right? See, Philip is responsible for her pregnancy. I just don't know what Erica is up to right now.
Oh my God. Is she trying to blackmail you?
I don't know.
Oh, I see her game. I think she's trying to worm her way into your life simply because she failed the first time. Wow.
Yeah, I think that's her aim.
That's not possible.
Wait, do you think I'm lying?
No. If there's anyone lying, it's Erica.
See, thank you so much for standing by me in all of these incidents.
You are a good man, okay? And I won't leave you, not at this time.
Thank you.
Alfred, do you love me?
Yes, I do. I love you so much.
You know, when you told me about Erica's pregnancy, that she said I was the one responsible, I actually believed her. Yes, because I was seeing an Erica who was beginning to take life seriously. Until yesterday, she said I was not the one responsible, that you were the one responsible. And that she was not going to tell you until she delivered. I didn't know she went behind me to say it, to tell you.
Philip, my brother, can you hear yourself? You've been my friend for so many years and you know what I am capable of doing. In my entire life, I have never had any intimacy with that girl. I am telling you. Wait. She's trying to take advantage of the fact that I have a lost memory? Because I don't get it. I don't.
Well, I would advise that you stay away from everybody. I mean, leave the house. Alright? Do not disclose your location to either Erica or Ruth.
So how would this help?
Of course it will help. Alright, just be faithful to your medications, browse the internet, know what to eat and drink, that will fasten your recovery. While you are there, you can communicate with your doctor.
That is even the problem. I don't have my doctor's contact. Why? Ruth has been the one communicating with him all the while.
No. It's very wrong of you to allow Ruth to be communicating with the doctor. I sense something fishy.
Yes. Something like what?
It beats me. Why would they send you on an official trip knowing your condition?
Ruth, I only forgot a lot of things about my past, but it doesn't affect my job.
But I insist, they should have just sent someone else to represent the company. Must it be you?
Well, the instruction is from the CEO directly himself. So I had to oblige.
Tell me, how many days are you out?
5 to 7 days.
5 to 7 days? That's a whole lot. I mean, your medication, it might not be enough for the time you'll be staying out. But not to worry, I always got you covered. I bought some more yesterday, so let me just get there. Okay?
Alright, please hurry up.
Sure. Please. I'm going to keep it right here. Make sure to take it, okay? Do not skip any dose. If you do, the doctor says you have to start all over again.
Don't worry, I'll take it at the appropriate time.
Okay, let me see you off.
Alright. Don't miss me too much.
I'll try not to. But I know I will.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me.
Girlfriend, it's... Of course, you know me now. You know I do my thing. Yeah, it's all panning out. Of course, you will be invited. You know what? Let me call you back.
Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember that I'm not a stranger. Yeah. Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. Search within you, you will remember.
Sandra, have I not told you to stop using that car? You know, Alfred will be angry if he finds out you're still using the car.
Ruth, why are you peppering yourself over nothing?
I'll pretend you didn't just say that to me.
No, you heard me loud and clear.
Sandra.
You and I know that Alfred is not around, so what is all this shenanigans? What's all of this? Later you would say, oh, it's going to affect his health condition. I know you.
actually blame myself for begging Alfred to allow you to stay. I should have just kept mute. Because if I had, you'd be long gone by now. And you won't be here spewing this nonsense from your mouth.
So tell me, why are you the one taking care of him? For all I know, Alfred is energetic. He's good to go. Aside his amnesia, he does his daily activities perfectly. So why are you the one taking care of him?
Because he needs someone to attend to his every need.
I see.
Yes. He needs someone to take care of him so that he won't feel abandoned.
Oh. Must that person be you?
Yes. Because I'm the closest person to him that he can remember for now. Sandra, the thing is, I'm just helping. I'm not dragging anything with you.
Now that brings me to my question. Why hasn't he remembered anything between us?
Well, I'm not a doctor. You should probably go to any hospital, call out the doctor, ask him questions I wouldn't know.
You see, this whole thing you are doing, this whole madness, Ruth, it will come to light one day.
In this life, you still help people who complain. You don't help, it's still a problem. I'm not saying it's kind of thing, unfortunately. You won't believe this. I finally won. Yes, no. The girl I was just telling you about. Don't pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. My girlfriend now, the one who a guy lost his memory. She lost this time around and yours truly won. Babe, that guy is every woman's dream. For what now? Even that stupid one in the office. That one that claims that she's pregnant for, with his child. She will see me and she will know who is who. I will deal with her. Just leave that one as, babe, it's like there's someone at the door. Let me call you back, okay? Alright, darling. Who is there?
It's me.
Oh. Yep. Hi. Welcome back.
Where's Sandra?
Well, the idiot girl just upped and left. Whatever. Good riddance to bad rubbish.
You mean Sandra is gone?
Why are you having that look on your face? Sandra is nobody. She's just a stranger to you.
No, she is not a stranger. She is my wife to be, my fiancée. Where is she?
Oh, you mean you regained your memory?
Oh yes, I regained my memories back. All this while you have been giving me wrong medication routes. Really? Well, I had to find out when I surfed the internet. I even told some of my doctor friends and they reviewed what happened, that you've been giving me medications that made me stay put with my memory loss.
I'm sorry.
Ruth, how could you? How could you do this to me? What did I do?
Nothing.
What did you stand to gain? What
Nothing.
are you trying to gain?
You. At the end of the day, you. I am sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't mean for everything to happen this way. The thing is, Sandra has always gotten everything I wanted. Ever since childhood. And this time I promised myself I wasn't going to let her win. At first I never even thought I would fall in love with you. Not until the day you gave that speech. Your first day at work. I noticed you. I started to crave for you. Out of nowhere, Erica tried to outsmart me. But of course, I knew you were a decent and responsible man. I knew you wouldn't go for that. So, I decided to play the good person. Later, Erica changed. But that wasn't even a problem. Suddenly, Sandra appeared. And my childhood friend, my one and only friend, the one who always got everything I've ever wanted, once again, was the fiancé to the only man I started to love. Yes, I had to do all of this. Even when the attack came and you were rushed to the hospital, the doctor said you had amnesia. It was to my own advantage. Because for the very first time, you remembered me and not her. And I told myself, I was not going to let her take you from me.
Hurt. Why did you allow the devil to take a good part of you? Why?
Maybe it wasn't the devil. Maybe it was love.
This
because I love you.
It's not love. What? This is hatred. And hatred is evil. Because of my good nature, I am not going to arrest you. But you know what you have to do right now? Go inside. Pack your things and leave.
You professed your love for me. You told me you loved me.
Pack your things and leave! Right now! Get out!
Are you serious about what you just told me? Imagine Ruth that appears so innocent. How could she go this length? Doesn't she know that giving you the wrong pills can complicate matters?
See, the truth is that I don't even know where to start when I see Sandra.
Well, you have to start from anywhere.
Anywhere you say? Where do I start from? How do I explain treating her like a total stranger? How do I explain Erica's pregnancy? No, tell me. In my entire life, I have never slept with this girl. I don't know what she wants to derive from this accusation because I am innocent. What's that? Wait. You're laughing? No, you're laughing. You think this is funny.
Look, all of this should not matter now. What you should be planning is how to leave first thing tomorrow morning to see Sandra. That is what should be bothering you now.
I think the fact that all this accusation shouldn't bother me because you're not in my shoes. You don't know the pain that I feel in my heart.
Look, I understand how you feel, but you have to go and see Sandra. It's important.
Maybe I have to come to you for tutorials because I do not know how to face that girl.
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, If you look deep inside, maybe you will see those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby? Now you are calling me a stranger. Oh, baby. Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember that I'm not a stranger. Yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. Search within you, you will remember. Yeah. Whoa. If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside, maybe you will see those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby?
Alfred, what is this madness about? Huh? What is this?
Sandra, you living in my house is very, very unfair. Very unfair. You should have waited for me to come back before you leave.
Get your car out of my way. I am not caught up for this bull crap, alright?
See, I know you have every right to be mad at me. Yes, you have every right to do that, alright? But please, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry I treated you like a stranger.
It is what it is. I am a stranger.
No, you're not a
I
stranger.
am a stranger.
You are not a stranger, for God's sake. You are my woman. You are my love. You're my dream come true. You are the only woman I want to sleep and wake up every day.
So what happens to the woman in your house? Huh? What happens to her? The woman you have come to fall in love with?
I wasn't in love with her. No, don't say that, okay? See, what happened to me was as a result of the brain damage, the lost memory that I had. Nothing more. You know that.
So I am now a witch in a mission to destroy your home.
But you know that is not true. You know. See. What happened is this. I'm going to explain to you in clear terms.
Okay, now you tell me, what is the truth?
The truth is that I was given a wrong medication. Ruth gave me a wrong medication all this while I've been taking it, and I found out when I left the home that it was all drugs for lost memory. I had to browse, I went to the internet, I surfed everywhere, and I found out that I wasn't taking the right medication. What do you expect me to do? I went to see a doctor. That was where I found out that I was taking the wrong medication. He took up my case, and today I am good, I'm fine. Can't you see that I'm good, I'm fine?
Well, newsflash. I am leaving. And I don't want you to come close to me.
No, don't do that. Sandra! Hey! Don't stop it! Sandra! Come on, please! Sandra! Shit!
If you look around you, maybe you will see that I'm the one. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember me. Yeah, if you look deep inside, maybe you will see those beautiful times we spent together. Do you remember, baby? Now you are calling me a stranger. Oh, baby, yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger. If you search inside you, maybe you will remember that I'm not a stranger. Yeah, yes, I'm a stranger, but no stranger.